Hello everyone, it's VitaVinman1 here again, and Coman3, who currently does not have a mic, so if he talks, he'll be very quiet. Um, and I am actually on a different screen now, so it may or may not be higher quality. Let's see. But, so today we have a 16 color, 1 pixel, one block per pixel, drawable screen. That's a long title, isn't it? um, But yeah, so basically we have just press one of the move buttons. We actually have a cursor. We do actually currently have a debug output that tells us the exact location. But as you can see, we do have a cursor, and the cursor actually looks pretty cool because it looks like it's actually moving because you can see two of them temporarily, which is pretty cool looking. And then we can easily just click a button, and it'll change it to that color. You click the white button, black, dark grey, light blue. As you can see, every single color works. And we have tested every single color in every single location. Damn it, that's hard work. Wrong one, that's off. Ah, well you can go fix that if you want. That's just a lot. Helps if you spell redstone block right, Lucky. Coman. Yeah, he misspelled redstone block. Yeah, because we are in the latest snapshot, so we do have a bunch of cool things, which is how we can do all this, because we use /setBlock. So these here are the move around buttons, the cursor buttons, and this is clear cursor. And then we got every single color, and then out here is the redstone. Quite big, but although much smaller than it would have been in the past without setBlock. And also, it's much faster than it would have been in the past without setBlock. Can't really see most of it, but as you can see, this here is a shift register, which basically we're using to just move this around with the different buttons. So Coman is just clicking the buttons. Then on this one is the up and down, as you can see, and these ones were the across. So basically, what happens is when Coman clicks a button, not that one, you'll see a redstone block appears here temporarily. This deletes it after 3 ticks, and that one, and it activates this shift register to move it across, depending on which button was pressed. We also have on this one the up and down, and then this system here, which I designed myself, selects which one based on the 2 inputs. It's just a bunch of AND gates combined together, but I did design how to fit it together. But it works quite well, actually. Basically, if this one is on and this one is on, this one's on, none of the others are. See? So 1-1 is the only one active. And we just have some glass with carpet on it here to look cool. So it's pretty simple. And then we have this monster. This monstrosity. This monstrosity. This thing here is... Oh, that's just the reset. To reset the cursor. Which is the simplest... That's the simplest part in the entire system. Other than the lights that Coman added just for looks. Unless you count the bit back here, you could say this is the simplest, I guess, actually. As you can see that they're activated, and Coman is currently choosing different colours for 1-1. This is 1-1, and then all the colours are just along here. So as you can see, it's moving across because he's just clicking each colour. I didn't see that one. Okay. So this monstrosity here is what's actually chooses what to display on that. This basically, we have every single one of the pixels on the screen, which is very long, currently 25 pixels. And we do actually have the ability to make this 16 by 16. As you can see, we do have the screen there, we just haven't built it yet, because we wanted to test it on a smaller screen first. And can you set the time today? That's better, now we can see. So what happens is, firstly, we select which pixel we're using this one, and then that activates one of these, and only one. So at the moment this one's active, and this row here is just for the cursor, which is quite simple. And it then goes into the same thing, as the same design as that one, but it's much larger. And each time we pick a color, like light green, for example, it actually goes through and sends the signal all the way through all the AND gates. This actually looks awesome. And then deletes the block. And every single one of these is a different pixel and color on the screen. Hence why it's so big, because it is 16 by 25, which is a very large number. I can't be bothered calculating it, but Coman's got it up. 400. There. And we did go through and manually set every single one of these. Well, we used MCEdit to copy it, but then we had to change all the... we actually had to change all the coordinates, and that took a while. Although we did build all this in 2 days. Yeah, this bug here is actually an MCEdit bug. When it copied the shift register, it stuffed up the biome, but that's okay. So once it's decided which pixel and color it's using, it just sets a redstone block at the right location for that, which is, if we come over here, each one of these is a different pixel and color and does the actual setting of the block. Which this is more. This was basically what was the reason we had this here instead of just directly there? Well, we'd built this first and then we built the rest, so we just wanted to stick with it, I guess. Yeah, this is how it outputs it. That doesn't need to be there. So basically, if, say, we want to change color 1-1 to white, we would just put a redstone block here, which would set it to white, as you can see. And that one sets to orange, that one to magenta, that one to light blue, that one to grey, light grey. No, that's dark grey. And every time it does get set, it then deletes the block straight away, so that it's not left there. Because otherwise, if you were to say set it at a different location there, and then you wanted to change it back to this color, it won't change back unless we deleted it and then added it again, as you can see. So we just have it delete straight away, which is very simple, just by inverting it. So yes, this is our display. Our what was it? What did I call it again? Yeah, color weird thing. 16 color, 1 block per pixel, editable display. And and with lights to turn off and whistles. So yeah, it looks awesome. Now just to prove it works, we'll actually draw something. What should we draw? Yeah, we'll add a clear function in a second. Yeah. I'll set the white. It's much quicker with 2 people, as you can see. Oh, I didn't know you wanted to. Go back. I'll change it back to black. I thought you just said you wanted to. Oh, glitched again. I did that again. Wait, I didn't click white. Yeah. If you click the color too quickly, sometimes it'll set two of them, but not much we can do about that. Other than somehow disable it while it's moving. Doesn't take long to move. So yeah, we're gonna write hi on the screen. Yeah. Yeah. Cool, good job. Ah, I didn't get that one. Wait, don't move. And black. Hi. And clear this button. Clear it. There we go. Hi. So yes, this is working perfectly fine. And it's actually it's really actually other than that bit. Let's just ignore that bit. Tiny. Huge, tiny. Huge, okay. So, thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!